Okay, I'm going to explain how to solve Thursday's morning work. So first, let's read the question. It says, Marcia cut her pan of brownies into 10 equal parts. Her brother ate 7/10 of the pan. If the shaded part represents the brownies her brother ate, which model shows 7/10? Okay, so we're breaking this into 10 equal parts. Let's think, what is our denominator going to be? Remember, our denominator is the whole. Well, our whole is broken into 10 pieces, and we want to see 7/10 of the pan. So that means we need to see 7 of the 10 pieces shaded in, which is the same as writing 7/10. So let's go through and see. The denominator for A would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the amount shaded in, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/10. We could also write that as decimal 4. 4/10. Nope, that's not the same. Now let's look at B. Our denominator is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And our numerator is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8/10 or 0, decimal, and 8 in the tenths place. Nope, not 7/10. So let's look at C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the denominator, let's see what the numerator would be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of the 10 pieces are shaded in, or we could write that 0 in the ones, 7 in the tenths place. So maybe it's C. So now let's look at D. What is our denominator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many are shaded in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of the 10 pieces are shaded in, or 0, decimal, 5 in the tenths. So the one that matches would be C. C is the correct answer. Okay, do the same thing for the second one. Be sure to label what each of these represent.